Yeah, so our company started in 2021, right towards the end of the pandemic, as
Mhm.
a small boutique print shop and mailing center. Um, our background for me and my husband were really geared towards printing, and so we kind of really took off on that industry,
Mhm.
and continue to grow on the printing. And now signs and banners are another big part of our store function that we do. Yeah, I think for us, it's always been how do we automate as much as possible. So we are a fairly small shop. I have 4 employees in total, and we produce most of the stuff in house in our facility. We do use a couple partners outside for larger things that we can't manufacture here. So again, automation was really key, especially in deciding with OnPrintShop. And then with OnPrintShop, part of that was okay, well, now we can do our quoting, we can do our invoicing, people can track orders. And then one of the key features that we use from OnPrintShop is the barcoding. So, when our
Mhm.
team is going throughout the shop, they're scanning the job as it goes. So it's
Wow.
automatically, instantly updating, clients. Yeah, I think with OnPrintShop, it has definitely saved a lot of time. Again, it's one system, so we're not having to utilize multiple systems, which takes time. So again, when we looked at the automation thing, a couple of key features, again, the scanning. Being able to download the files that the customer's already uploaded from our templates, because from there, our production team can input it right into our automation software. Automation software automatically sends it to our press automatically sends it to our binder equipment. So everything's automated, which results in a huge cost savings of time. And when you're really dealing with a small print shop or a small business,
Mhm.
time is everything, especially for all of us. And I think too, it helps you stay more organized. And our I love the payment aspect of it, being able to collect payments right away, because that's important to us, and how we do things right up front. I think there was it was a lot more to undertake than I anticipated, if I'm being 100% honest. So it gave me quite more of an in-depth, like, okay, well, I need to learn this, right away. They understand what we're trying to achieve better than other people. That's really in tune to your business. I think that is really, really key and very crucial and beneficial from your side of things, just so you're 100% aware.